Not a great shoulder, if I'm honest. So that's why I run gravel tires, wear gravel tires. Oh, I like that. Do these tires look good on me? Why, yes, they look very adventurous. All right, on road 206, heading south to join with the 1 so I can take advantage of the tailwind. Really? Huh. And here I always thought it was Toronto. And then, further down the road, geography nerds, French geography nerds. Really, traffic roaring by, and I'm what scares the deer. Not sure how to take that. So remember when I was talking about running gravel tires for puncture protection? And there are some sentences I should stay away from. So first up, 1UP's EDC pump. Technically, it's my backup pump, but it contains a toolkit, along with stashing the plugs. Well, I was worried about these not being sticky enough. If it does, it's probably going to happen off camera because I can't film and do it. Okay, you missed the vital push it in part, but suffice to say, it's pushed. But that's okay, because there's a second puncture. Yes, I hate doing that. I hate doing that. Because putting more hole in a tire is like a point of no return. I fold the satchel of sealant to try and prevent it from going everywhere. Emphasis on try, with the standard vaguely pornographic results. At least it conveniently happened near a gas station, or at a gas station. Actually, I don't know how long I've been riding on it flat, looking at the sidewalls. Next up, the electric pump I never thought I needed. The best thing ever. The old garage station trick of spit to see if there's a leak. Perfect. Now I need to go buy an X-Acto knife. $8 for the throwaway utility knife, or $20 for the cool-looking 4-inch blade. We'll face it, you knew which way that was going to go. Alright, so since the punctures are relatively close together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those on the downside of the tire overnight, just to let some additional sealant leak through if necessary, since I have the luxury because I panicked and checked into a room at the gas station, which actually has pretty good rooms. I'm surprised.